Hey guys, and welcome back to your second scripting tutorial of the beginner series. So, today we are gonna learn about types of values, or what are the types of values. So we are gonna head and insert the script and then write. So you can actually make variables, as I mentioned in the previous video. And if you didn't watch this, it's not very important. So yeah, like if I type test is equal to, and this is how we make variables, you know, and then say 1, right, and 1 is actually a number value, right. So in Lua, number value is actually pretty interesting thing because it can be basically any number which doesn't have 309 digits, and that's pretty big thing, you know. So yeah, also, you know, in other languages there is double integer, which is basic value which has no fractional component. So, for example, this number is not an integer, so you don't need to know that. All you need to know is that there is number value, and that can be anything actually, like 10, 1.1, this big number or something. Yeah, that's all you need to know. Right, so also there is bool values, which are true or false. Right, false. So that's basically it. They either can be true or false. So it's pretty useful if you use like if it has some kind of special item, then do something for that, like for VAPs, or I don't know. You can think it yourself. Also, there is, I mentioned before in the previous video, there is a nil value, and you can get it by I don't know, by making a random variable. Let's just call it random, right? But you need to just do local, so it would be nil. And that is pretty much the same thing as equal to nil. Yeah. And nil value is basically nothing. So you can just, I don't know. It's used to delete something, so you can just write script dot parent equals nil. Well, it doesn't delete it, it just sets the parent to nil, and then it just disappears, but it's stored somewhere. So yeah, that's it. That's the nil value. And as you saw before, well, before 5 seconds before, there is a you know, that script dot parent. So that's a pretty interesting value, and it's called userdata value. Also, you can write in the command bar to see what type of value it is. Yeah, so for example, yeah, you can type this command. Well, that's not a command, that's I think that's a function, type of. And yeah, you just put in the brackets any value you want to check what type it is, so you just type true, right? And you need to enter print, because else it wouldn't print anything. Right, so if I write, I mean play, so as you can see it says boolean, and when you stop, yeah, it's a true. So let's try to write script.parents, or we can just say script actually, and well, it's instance. The word script is actually instance, because it's those all things, as you can see here, those in the Explorer, are called instances. Well, those ones actually are services. So let's just check if I am right. because you might not know, or I might not know. So yeah, if I try to, no, it's still instance. Well, it's also a service and the instance at the same time. So yeah, right. But if we like that script, if you write that script like workspace.script, then it should be user data. Oh, okay, whatever. Never mind. Let's just try to write script that parent dot like enabled, or how it's called, disabled. Wait. Oh, script dot 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 like dot disabled. Right. If I write this, it should, yeah. Oh yeah, right. I forgot to mention that's a bool value. Those properties are actually bool value. So it's a user data value actually, but you can actually, you don't need to write, no, I'm just messing up stuff. That's bad. You can actually write not only by just separating by dot. You can also type like this, workspace, those brackets, like those ones, only those ones. And then you type the string value. It has to be string value, and this value is just you can wait, it's not how you do this. I just want to do like that. Well, maybe like this. Like, let's just try that, like so, but with the capital, because I don't wanna make a object, or how is it called? Script is equal to and this is the string value. You can do this because I prefer to do this, but you can also do like that. You can use double quotes, and you just type script, because it's our script called like that. And now, you might get confused, so I just call this text. Yeah, this should do the trick. And you can actually do like that. And yeah, it shouldn't do anything because, oh yeah, there is an error because we need to do something with it. So I don't know. It's just like print yeah, like this. Should be alright. Oh no, it just should print script. Yeah. Okay, because I just wanted to print this, which is, yeah, script, and it just prints workspace.script, and I think it prints the name. Yeah, we can just try to do this dot name, and that's the property part. And I think we are gonna learn I'm gonna teach you in the not in the next, but the other tutorial. Yeah, so like this, and it should print script. But if you call this test, it should print test, right? Oh, because you need to like this, because I changed the name, and now it doesn't know that there is no such thing as script, because it's not named script. So yeah, this is pretty neat. And you should stop. You always should stop the simulation, I guess, because if you use local script, that it might undo shit and delete it. So yeah, and it printed test. Right. So that's it about the string value and user data value, and yeah, that was pretty much it. And I hope you guys learned something. I think I see you next time.